Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore a time in India's past that made a big difference in how we grow our food, the Indian Green Revolution. This was a special period when we learned new ways to produce more food and help everyone get enough to eat. Let's take a journey back in time and discover how this revolution shaped our farms and our lives. Chapter 1: Why it was needed. A long time ago, India had a problem. Our population was growing quickly, but we weren't producing enough food. This led to not having enough food for everyone, and that's not good. Then, something amazing happened: the Indian Green Revolution. This was a special time in the 1960s and 70s when we found smart new ways to grow more food. Chapter 2: New types of crops. One big part of the Green Revolution was inventing new types of crops. These crops could produce more grains than the ones we were using before. These new crops were like superheroes of the plant world. They could give us more food from the same space, which was really helpful. Chapter 3: Watering our fields better. Another cool thing was learning better ways to water our fields. Before, we depended a lot on rain, and sometimes there wasn't enough. So, we found ways to bring water to our fields even when it wasn't raining. With these new watering methods, we could grow crops even when it was dry outside. This made farming more reliable and helped us produce more food. Chapter 4: Good results for everyone. Guess what? The Indian Green Revolution worked really well. We went from having not enough food to having plenty of it. There were big harvests, and people had enough to eat. This made a big difference for everyone. People didn't go hungry anymore, and we even had extra food to share with other countries. Chapter 5: Some challenges too. But, like with anything, there were some challenges. Using a lot of chemicals on our crops could harm the environment, and depending too much on a few types of crops wasn't great for nature either. While the Green Revolution helped us with food, it also showed us that we need to be careful about how we grow our food so we don't hurt our planet. Chapter 6: What's happening now? Today, we are still learning and improving. We are finding new ways to grow food without harming the environment. Things like organic farming and smart farming are helping us make food in a good way. The lessons from the Green Revolution are still important. We are making sure that we grow food in a way that's kind to our earth and that there is enough for everyone. Conclusion. And that's the story of the Indian Green Revolution, a time when we learned to grow more food and take care of each other. It's a reminder that when we work together and learn, we can solve big problems. If you enjoyed this journey into history, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep exploring the amazing stories that have shaped our world. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Until next time, keep learning and making the world a better place.